Hi, this is Li's Kitchen, and today we're gonna make a new dish called eggplant rolls. Our first ingredient is Carne Norte, or ready-made ground meat. I use 1 can, but it depends on the amount that you wanted. Next, I'm gonna add a tablespoon of mayonnaise. Then add cheese on your own convenience. When you're done, mix it all together. Then let's prep the eggplant. Our goal here is to make thin slices out of it. The bigger they are, more the better. You can use a peeler to make the work easier. Now use the mixture as a stuffing on the eggplant. Then roll the eggplant individually. In my suggestion, use a toothpick to pin each individually, in order to have a better result in cooking. In this part, we're gonna make another mixture for coating the eggplant rolls. And for that, you're gonna need 3 tablespoons of cornstarch. Then add a small portion of water. And a little bit of oil. Then lastly, add a small amount of ground pepper. Then mix it all together evenly. If you have concerns, suggestions, or questions, make use of the comment section below. In my opinion, you can add more cornstarch to get your desired texture for the mixture. If you're done, prep your oil and let's start frying these goodies up. And we're almost done. I hope you enjoyed the video. And we're done. You can make your own sauce or use the extra mayonnaise. Enjoy your meal. Hit the subscribe and notification bell button to keep you updated. You can also like, comment, and share this video to any media platforms to help me grow. Thanks a bunch. Whoa!